Jesus, why it looks so dark. And this is a really heavy lens. Damn. What's up, guys? I'm holding my camera now to the lens, as you can see, and it's actually pretty heavy. Jesus, I haven't worked on it in a while. So, just a quick update. I just bought a downpipe. It's from Megan Racing. Right there. I have never seen anyone has this on, so I want to try it out instead of going PRL, since I'm just gonna go for the extra flow. If I ever decide to, you know, change up my downpipe, I would probably regret it.
Oh, boy!
I also bought the O2 sensor spacings. Well, why is it so bright? It's literally, the thing is like halfway focus. There you go. So I want to have a check engine light, but I still think I had to disable it with the K tuner. But I just don't have a downpipe anymore. I have this. Now you know that I'm straight piped. I just want the downpipe, so I want to see how good it sounds, because we were putting back my lip on. I destroyed my lip. I got the V2 this time, so it's more sturdier. I also lowered my car more. I'm literally like 2 fingers low, but yeah. So I ordered the downpipe. I'm gonna come back and update y'all whenever I have the downpipe, and we're gonna install it. And we're back. Took about 4 days to get the thing. I was too excited. I was also tired. Here it is, Megan exhaust. Here is the downpipe. I'm just gonna unwrap it so we can see how it looks like. This is the downpipe. This is where the O2 sensor goes. Focus, there you go. O2 sensor goes there. Yeah.
This is for Rachel, you big, fat, white, nasty, smelling, fat bitch.
I think this is the last stop that I bought, and the only problem is I need PV blaster now. Gaskets right here. It came with a heat shield. So heat shield, heat wrap. I'll be installing this downpipe tomorrow. A man is tired. I'll be back. Alright, good morning. We're back. It's currently 8:30. Just got WD-40 from my friend Carlos. We're gonna blast the nuts and loosen them up. Have to be like an hour before you start doing stuff. This is here. Okay, so heat shield is right here. Supposed to remove, not that one. There's another O2 sensor right there at the bottom. Damn, there's a spider living here. What the heck? He's probably chilling inside there. We need to remove this one. We're supposed to blast this, that one right there, that one on the bottom. Hold on. So that one, some other screws. I gotta figure it out which one. But I'm gonna blast those two first and see, and let it sit for an hour. Okay, so I sprayed on a little bit. I'm gonna be coming back in an hour and so. You're supposed to spray it with the, well, they didn't do it in the heat shield. They did it on the downpipe itself, but I want to try it in the heat shield first so everything removes. But I don't know if it's gonna rain. We gotta see. So I'm gonna remove the thing and I'll be right back. Here's the downpipe. Change my clothes so I can work on it. It's been an hour since I placed the WD-40. I had to wait another hour for the turbo bolts, but it's cooled down, completely cooled down. I'm gonna get my tools, remove these little screws right here. Well, loosen it so we have space. Completely remove the whole thing. I completely forgot I had to jack my car up. Here's my mom's car. I had to move it a little bit so I have a space. Like literally, there's no space, working space. So I'm gonna get the keys. I'll be right back. So before I start this next clip, something happened with the footage that I was recorded on. It was basically removing the heat shield, and I was having a problem with the third bolt on top. So Yeah. Okay, so as soon as I unbolted it, my battery died, and so I took the opportunity to get the batteries and change my lens to zoom lens. We're back at zoom lens, baby. So thing is off. I need to pull it out. Good news is off. Okay, I don't know how to get this off, to be honest with you. These hoses. What in the actual megalodon is this? Oof. I'm just gonna whack it. Ah, that's hot. That is really hot. Oh, this is clean rag. I am the clean.
Mr. Clean gets rid of
Ricers. Just gonna put it down and leave it there for like a fat minute. So WD this. Okay. In the turbo, there's 4 bolts. Right there, as you can see, 1, 2. Where's the other one? It's the third one. 3, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then the fourth one is all the way down there. You can't really see it, it's hiding. It's also make sure that your car is completely cooled. I'll be waiting an hour to completely cool this car. While that's going on, I'm gonna jack up the car and try to get the bottom bolts out. So, be right back. Put the other wood on the bottom of your tire. I'll be right back in 1 hour. Well, okay, so I've been waiting for like 20 minutes now. I'm gonna do the bottom bolts, see how it's gonna turn out. In the bottom, you need 14 mil. I just don't know how to attack this. I feel like I'm gonna die. I'm a jack right there, so just in case. But I'm gonna show you how it is in the bottom. I'm going sideways. As you can see right here, you have three of them. One right there, one right here, one right there. I'm gonna do breaker bar. See if that works out. See, hopefully you don't die. Because this thing is great. So right here, this is really hard to do it with one hand, but you basically, your other hand's holding that one, and you'll be spinning this one. So I'll be right back. So these are the O2 sensors, one right there. This is the clip for it, or the bottom one, so I think it's pressed down. Okay, so I unplugged the O2 sensor already. With this one, you have to go all the way to the back. Can't really see it, but it's basically in the back. It's a clip, and then you squeeze it in, and then you push this out. I'll show it a bit. Finally got it off. It's pretty tough. These clips, that one right there, what I did is just pried it outside there. Since I couldn't reach the back, I was trying to figure out how to reach the back with some pliers. Didn't work, so I just pried it out. It worked. Just be careful with it, don't break it. Got the O2 sensor out. We're gonna get the bolts out and see what happens. Okay, so I don't know, 2 hours later, finally got it off with the help of my stepdad. I used his tools. He has this mini extension right here. Yeah, it was a pain. It was really a pain. So I didn't have this. I have a longer one, which is this. So I'm gonna show you why you need a smaller one. So make sure you don't use this longest one, because you're not really gonna fit through here. You're gonna end up to this piping right here. I finally got it off. Heat shield is right there. I'm just taking off the bolts right now from the bottom, and then we can remove it. All right, never jack. Why are you looking at it? Never jack your car with one area. You just jack it up both fucking sides, because I got it out, and we have a special visitor right here.
Hi.
We got the cat out. It was a pain in the butt. Stuck right there. I didn't know what to do. We got the cat out. Time for the finally. Hopefully we can remove the O2 sensor without the O2 sensor socket, and I'll give a comparison right now. See how thick boy this is? That is skinny. So I'll be right back, trying to install this and see what gains we get. Alright, so finally got the O2 sensor. She bought it. Just removed the O2 sensor. I had the O2 sensor spacer. This was separate. I bought it for $8. Problem, which is these ones don't fit on these places. I'm gonna YOLO it, not gonna put it on, see if it rambles like her car. Okay, catalytic converter is so weird. You wanna buy this?
Sorry, I felt like there was a bug on me.
I thought she was posing for like Avengers. Well, I'll put it back. I'm gonna leave this brackets. I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to put this back inside the car and we're gonna retune it. Okay, so we are done. Finally got everything back. I got a couple things that I didn't get to put back. These brackets right here I didn't get to put back because they weren't fitting, but it's holding sturdy right now. Ah, it's so good. Like, look at that. Meow. I was supposed to put the heat wrap, but Miguel didn't come. I'm mad. Yeah, so we're gonna do a cold start. Haven't turned this on since yesterday, so hopefully check engine code is not gonna appear. Yeah, let's do it. Yo! 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 Oh my god! That is loud! So that's the downpipe. I'm gonna show you down clips tomorrow since I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna do sound clips next time. Because right now I gotta fix her car. Something's wrong with the exhaust, so I'll be right back. So I just got out of work right now. I got my car set up right here and it's pretty loud. I'm gonna give you some clips that how it drives off. Apparently my last video that I took didn't record, and I took that about 2 hours ago and trying to edit the video, trying to see which one I'm missing. Apparently it didn't record for no reason. Basically what I was recording earlier, I'm gonna give you guys a whole video of how this car drives off with different modes. I have the CVT, so with an Eco too, see how it sounds like for you guys. I'm gonna do some pass-throughs right here. I'm gonna try to do it as quick as possible because it's really loud. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the clip and put the clips in. That's the clips. Pretty loud. Love it. It's not a high flow cat. It's not as efficient as the PRL, I would say, but it worked. This is how it sounds like idling. It honestly doesn't sound bad. I like the idle. I like how it sounds really raspy. If you're not the type of person to have raspy exhaust, I would highly suggest putting a resonator or a muffler so that way it can be toned down a bit. On the resonator, I would say vibrant resonator, and for the exhaust, I would say HKS since they have that universal muffler, you know? But it all depends on you. So those are the clips. If you enjoyed this video, go hit the like button. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. We'll be making more videos like this soon. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.